Launch announced 2022, February 14th. Status coming soon. EXP, release 2022, March 14th. Display type IPS LCD, 90 Hz, 400 nits TYP, size 6.5 inches, 102.0 square centimeters, approximately 81.6% screen-to-body ratio, resolution 720 by 1600 pixels, 20:9 ratio, approximately 270 ppi density. Body dimensions 164.6 by 75.9 by 8.5 mm, 6.48 by 2.99 by 0.33 and weight 190 grams, 6.70 ounces. BuildGlass front plastic frame, plastic back SIM-Single SIM, Nano-SIM, or Dual SIM, Nano-SIM, dual standby. BATTERYTypeLi-Po 5050 mAh, non-removable charging, fast battery charging, 18W USB power delivery 3.0. Main camera triple 50MP, wide, PDAF 2MP, macro 2MP, depth, features LED flash, HDR, panorama video 1080p at 30 FPS. Memory card slot microSD-XC, dedicated slot, internal 64 GB, 3 GB RAM, 64 GB, 4 GB RAM, 128 GB, 4 GB RAM, eMMC 5.1. Platform OS Android 11 chipset Unisoc T606 12nm CPU octa-core 2x1.6 GHz Cortex A75 and 6x1.6 GHz Cortex A55 GPU Mali G57 MP1. Thanks for watching this video.